Do me a favor right now, think about the last time you walked into a room, a party, an office, a college hallway, and nobody noticed you. Not because you were ugly, not because you were boring, but because you were doing things you had no idea were silently pushing people away. Today, I'm going to show you 8 habits that are making you unattractive without you even realizing it. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you will never see yourself the same way again. But first, let me tell you about someone named Marcus. Marcus was smart, funny, decent-looking guy, but every time he walked into a room, he couldn't figure out why, until one day his best friend told him the truth. And that truth changed everything. Stick with me because habit number 8, that one will genuinely shock you. Habit number 1, you never make eye contact. Let me ask you something honestly. When you're talking to someone, where are your eyes going? Your phone? The floor? Somewhere over their shoulder? Here's what most people don't understand. Eye contact is not just confidence. It's a signal. It tells the other person, you matter to me, right now, in this moment. The philosopher William James once said, the deepest craving of human nature is the need to be appreciated. And nothing communicates appreciated faster than simply looking at someone. Marcus, the guy I told you about, his first problem was this. He'd look down every time someone spoke to him. People thought he was arrogant, or worse, completely uninterested. He was neither, he was just nervous. So here's what I want you to practice. Next conversation you have today, hold eye contact for just 3 extra seconds, 3 sequences. Watch how differently people respond to you. Habit number 2, you're always complaining. Quick question, think about the most attractive person you know. Not physically. I mean the person everyone wants to be around. Now tell me, are they the ones who complain about traffic every morning? Who talk about how their boss is terrible, their life is unfair, nothing ever works out? No, of course not. Energy is invisible repellent. You can't see it. But people feel it immediately. There's a girl, let's call her Sophia. Beautiful, smart, great job. But every lunch break, same routine. This weather is the worst. My coworkers are so annoying. I'm so tired of everything. Within 3 months, she ate lunch alone. Not because people disliked her, felt exhausting. Attractive people aren't blind to problems. They just choose deliberately not to make problems their personality. Habit number 3, you don't listen. You wait to talk. Okay, this one might sting a little. Be honest with yourself right now. When someone is talking to you, are you actually listening, or are you in your head, planning your next sentence? There's a massive difference between hearing someone and actually listening. Most people hear, very few actually listen. And people can feel it immediately when you're not fully present. Marcus figured this out in month 2. He started doing one simple thing. After someone finished talking, he'd wait 2 seconds before responding. Just 2 seconds of silence. And suddenly, people started calling him the most interesting guy in the room. He just listened more. So tell me, in the comments right now, are you a talker or a listener? Be honest. I'm Sophia. Remember her? She used to agree with everything her friends said, just to avoid conflict, just to fit in. And slowly she realized she had no idea who she actually was anymore. Attractive people have opinions. They have a point of view. They disagree respectfully, but clearly. Be someone, not everyone someone. Habit number 7, you're glued to your phone around people. This one is simple, but it's destroying more relationships than almost anything else right now. When you're with people and your phone is out, you are sending one very clear message. Whatever is on this screen is more important than you. That feeling of being second to a screen, people remember it, and they stop inviting you. Next time you sit with someone, phone face down, or better, in your pocket. Give them the one thing that's become the rarest gift in 2025, your full undivided attention. Watch what happens. Habit number 8, slow, deliberate, powerful. I told you at the start, this one would surprise you. And I meant it. The 8th thing that makes people unattractive isn't something you do, it's something you don't do, you don't believe in yourself, and you expect the world to do it for you. Every habit we talked about today, the looking away, the complaining, the people-pleasing, the bad posture, they all come from the same place, a quiet voice inside that says, I'm not enough. Marcus, by the end of his journey, didn't change his face, didn't buy new clothes, didn't reinvent himself, he just decided to believe he was worth looking at, worth listening to, worth knowing, and everything changed. Because here's the final truth. Attractiveness is not what you look like, it's how you make people feel when they're around you. And that starts completely, entirely, with how you feel about yourself. Warm plus exciting. Now, if this video gave you even one thing to think about, share it with someone who needs to hear this today. And hey, I'm working on something really powerful for next week. It's called 7 Psychological Tricks that make people instantly respect you. And trust me, trick number 4 is something nobody talks about. If you don't want to miss that, subscribe right now. The button is right there. I'll see you in the next one. Go work on yourself. You're worth it.